Hare Krishna, good morning, namaste. So here I am, and we're going to experience something. And if you can do it with me, that'll be great. So, this is one of the surfaces of my car, and I'm just patting it, gently, gently, gently. And what my hand feels is also a gentle force. But then I increase the force. Can you hear the bang? So when I hit my car with the bang, I also felt, you know, hard force on my hand. Now harder. Oh my god, sorry car. Okay. When I hit it even harder, it felt even harder on my hand. One last time. Ouch.